So the issues that agencies face when they're starting out is they lack the resources, they lack the leads, and they lack the ability to close them. So with the lead generator, we allow you to find leads. With the email automation, the marketing automation, we give you the ability to nurture them automatically. And now I'm going to show you the landing page that is specifically created in order for you to close leads fast. So whenever someone subscribes to the Agency Advantage program, we create different landing pages automatically for you with your branding. And this is created for every category that you have for the digital marketing. So just hover agency tools, click landing pages, and you're going to see the different landing pages that is available for you. Everything is white labeled. And if you want to view any particular landing page, you just click it and it's going to open the landing page. Every marketing automation email that we have has a call to action going to this landing page. This landing page is branded with your brand, with your colors. So if you just want to change the logo or the logo here or the color here, just go to your settings and change it, and this will follow suit. The landing pages are again specifically tailored to the products that we sell, that and eventually you sell. So this one's for local SEO, and it's giving you and giving the client, the viewer really, all the different things that you will get with a local SEO package. It has the frequently asked questions and it has the call to action. The best thing about this is that the call to action, when you fill it out, it goes to the CRM and you get alerted whenever a lead is ready to close. But the more interesting thing about it is that if you want to not do contact form as a call to action, you just go to the landing pages again for local SEO, change the call to action, put it as a schedule your appointment, put in your calendar link or any link that you have for your to set an appointment for you, save it, refresh the page that you were on a while ago, and now the call to action has changed. So when you click this particular call to action, it's now linking to your calendar. So this way, you can now funnel your leads to schedule a booking for you, or with you, rather. The last thing about rep management is that you can use these links for whatever purposes that you have. Some of our clients put it in their email addresses or email signatures. Some of them send it via Facebook or to their different partners. It will track the number of visitors that you have, the conversions that you have, and the conversion rate. And that's it for the landing pages. If you have any questions, just feel free to send us an email or chat with us. These things are not editable right now because we want to make sure that you're using the methodology that we know works in selling digital marketing. Cheers.